Hello YouTube. Have you ever used your computer and found out, oh, blue screen of death, viruses, crashing, multiple things like that? Would you ever get so frustrated that you feel like tossing your computer off a window or setting it on fire? Well, you don't have to. The easiest thing to do to fix your computer is, first you must remove your motherboard. I have pre-removed it right over here, okay? Now, the next thing you must do is set this aside, move it over here. This is a sink. First, you must fill it up with hot soapy water. Remember, you want to clean off any bacteria that might be on your motherboard. I suggest using Ajax. Nice soapy water. Take a look. That's the kind of soapy water you want to have while cleaning your motherboard. Make sure you only fill it up enough so you can completely submerge the motherboard in the water. And here comes the fun part. Take your motherboard and slowly dip it into the water. Now watch, very carefully. Come here. You must completely submerge it with lots of soap and water. Then, take the scrubbing side of a sponge. Make sure you scrub it very well. Make sure you get all the dust off of it. If pieces of your sponge start coming off, then it's perfect. Make sure you get in that processor. Other pieces can be either washed separately or put into the dishwasher because they're dishwasher safe. Remember, don't forget to clean the backside. It's very important. Now let it soak for a bit, upside down, with soapy water all over the back end of it. Now, a regular kitchen knife, something with a sharp edge, not really serrated, and you must take off all of these sharp like bumps that you see at the end. You want to have a very smooth motherboard. If pieces start to fall off, well, that's very good. That means you're doing the right thing. Make sure you get in between those where the RAM is. You scrub everything else very well, especially in those hard to reach places. Make sure you get that processor very well. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to ask assistance because I'm not too much of a computer nerd, but I have a friend here who can help me tell you how to finish cleaning this off.
Okay, what else you have to do is you gotta take the little processor out here and make sure you clean that too. Gotta get your nails in there. Take it out.
Here, I'll help you with that. Just gotta.
Oh, we can do this. Ready? There we go.
There we go. You see? Make sure you get lots of soap and water all over it. You see? Very nice.
What you want to do is you want to get the pins off of there too.
Yeah, exactly. Those pins. You make sure. Remember, I told you, smooth hard drive is a good hard drive. I mean, motherboard, processor, whatever. Oh, you see how they're bending? It's very good. It's productive.
You want to make sure you're chopping it like you would your tomatoes when you're making dinner.
Exactly. And if some come off, that's good.
Hey, look, guys. There's one right there.
There you go.
Okay. I want to rinse it off.
Now we're on the rinse cycle.
Take that out.
Make sure you get all of your soapy water away and wash it very well. You see? Now that's what your processor should look like afterwards. This is the correct way to do it. Okay? Remember, this is how you clean your motherboard. It's completely safe. Okay? I would suggest sometimes washing it with the battery plugged in while the computer's on. It usually helps you relieve it of some viruses. Now see how shiny and clean my motherboard is? See how shiny and clean that is? It's basically glowing. See? There you go. You can put back in the processor.
Let's see if it fits. Now what you want to make sure that it does is make sure it doesn't fit. So you get, where's the knife over here?
No, I have something even better.
Oh, what do you have for me? Is there a mallet? Ooh, chef's knife. Good.
Take a big chef's knife, and it shouldn't fit. That's the thing. It's very difficult to get in, so you take the back end of a big knife or a hammer and... I'm not sure what that weird color acidy kind of stuff is, but it's probably not good for you. So yeah, if any of you know what that is, you might want to leave a comment.
That's probably some cancer forming from B. You know what I'm? You know.
Oh, you're right. You see,
that, you know?
that's good. That's clearly this gray things that are coming off of here.
It's definitely cancer.
That's all the dirt and grime that you just got off of your processor. That's very, very good. You see, it is very, very good. Now that your processor is nice and in there and locked in, you want to rest it in the garbage can for 4 to 6 weeks until
the garbage department comes to pick it up.
Until the garbage department comes to pick it up and finish the last cycle of the cleaning. This has been How to Clean a Motherboard. Have a nice day.